Hey Sugar, do you love the YSL Candy Glaze, but not the cost of the YSL Candy Glaze? First, let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, or the eyebrows in the room. So I just had my brows reshaded again. Every time I do that, day 2, I wind up looking like Robbie Rotten.
Yikes!
It's just a thing. It's not gonna stay like this. Anyway, what you actually came here for, this YSL Candy Glaze. I love this stuff. What is it, like 6 clicks, 1 application? I'm gonna stick beside my Candy Glaze because it's fantastic. $43 is not attainable for everybody. So we're gonna try these new Maybelline Glaze sticks here. I have this Candy Glaze in color 78XY. What? I don't know what color this is. It's the natural brown color. Enter the Maybelline Glaze Oil Balm, $7.48. As much as it pains me to wipe off my Candy Glaze, my $43 lip gloss, I'm gonna do that for you, Sugar, because that's what I do for those that I love. So here we go. Okay. You may not have been able to see fully the color of the Candy Glaze on my lips, but that's what it's giving. So if you're a little bit more fair skinned than I am, or you have a lighter lip, that is the color that you're gonna get with this color Candy Glaze. This is the Maybelline Oil Balm Glaze. Is it giving almost the same color as the YSL? Kind of. The best way to tell is on my lips. Ready? Okay, so the formula feels almost identical, almost. I do have to say that the YSL Glaze feels more like a gloss. This definitely does feel more like a lip balm and not a lip gloss. So I think that's the biggest difference between the two. But mostly the formulas feel pretty similar. Now, let's see about the color. This is the YSL. This is the Maybelline. The YSL is a little bit more pigmented, a little less. Yeah, no, I think they're about the same. The YSL is just a touch more pigmented. I think it's got a little bit more of that chocolatey rich color in there. But these formulas are almost identical, except for the fact that this feels more like a balm than a gloss. And if you have two-tone darker lips like mine, this color here, this is the 600. There's words on here that I can't see. The closer I get to 50, the further the letters on the page get from me. So this is gonna be your natural color if you have two-tone lips like mine, $7.48. You cannot beat that. The YSL Candy Glaze, if you are a little bit bougier and don't want to be so budget friendly, absolutely go with the YSL because it is phenomenal. Fantastic. Love it. $43. I think right now at Nordstrom it's on sale for like $36. Go crazy. Economical, budget friendly. Nobody's probably going to be able to tell the difference except for your bank account and whoever's going to be kissing you. This Maybelline Oil Balm Glaze, hot damn, $7.48. Now, I have not purchased any of the other colors of the Candy Glaze simply because I felt like I found my neutral. I didn't need anything else, and I didn't want to spend another $43 on all of the things. So I just figured I would just stick with the one, and I was teetering on getting the pink because I wanted to try it. Teeter no longer. I'm just going to try it in the Maybelline. Since I know now that the formulas are pretty close, let's just go for it. All right, so this is color 200. I'm gonna put all the colors up on the screen for you because I'm not gonna be able to figure it all out without my glasses and all the things. All right, so this is this really pretty light pink kind of color. There we go. There it is. Okay, so. Now we're gonna kiss it off and see what color it's giving because it's just looking like lip balm. This is perfect for the wintertime because if I just wanted to throw a lip balm in my purse just to have something in case my lips felt a little dry in between like eating or talking a lot, which I am prone to do, this is great. This is not gonna give me any color. It's so sheer. It's just gonna be light pink. Now, if your lips are more on that pink side, this is probably gonna be your neutral. But it's like a clear for me. So it's some of the other color is still on there, but that's basically the color that it's giving off. It's like a more pinky, rosy kind of a color. Yeah, it's like a rosy kind of a color. I don't know if you can really see that, but I'm gonna try and really wipe it off really well. This other color that I really wanna try. Okay, so this is color 003. I really did want a color like this in the Candy Glaze. Okay, this is pretty. This is really pretty. It's super hydrating. I love the look it's giving. Yeah, I really do like this. We're $7 each, 7 times 3, 21. Easy math, right? $21 and change, somewhere around the $23 mark, I think. $23. I just saved $20 off of this one little guy here and got these 3 right here. Am I gonna not buy any more of the YSL Candy Glaze because I found these? It would be a flat out lie if I told you that I was not going to. I am absolutely gonna buy this pinky rosy color in the YSL Candy Glaze formula because I want to. But if you don't want to and you want to have that Candy Glaze look, Maybelline did the damn thing. I'm loving it because now I have 3 new easy lip balms that I can throw into my purse and call it a day. So like $21 before tax, $23, $24 after, as opposed to like $47.99 after tax for one. The math is mathing when you do the math that way, whether you use girl math or you use that archaic old school math. I prefer girl math, but either way, you are going to win, whether you want to do bougie or budget friendly. Budget friendly just gives a girl more options. Bougie, just, I mean, it is what it is. It's fantastic. So let us enjoy having options, because what is a woman without her options? We love these. Maybelline, thank you for the options. YSL, thank you for the bouge. And I will see you in the next video, sugar. Let me know which ones you're going to try.